How to turn notifications on or off in Wire Messenger using your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. To turn notification on or off in Wire Messenger, you need to go ahead and open up the Settings app on your Android or iOS smartphone. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down and look for Notifications and click on it. Inside the Notifications tab, go ahead and select the Wire Messenger app or the Wire app and tap on it. Now, if you want to turn on notification for Wire Messenger on your device, toggle on the switch right next to Allow Notifications. If you don't want the notifications or if you want to turn the notifications off, toggle off the switch right next to Allow Notification. So that way, you'll be able to turn on and off notifications in Wire Messenger application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.